This is Elise Knoppers, and I'm entering this vlog to showcase everything in case I don't make it. It is 08:44 on day 57 of the quarantine, and I'm alive. And I realized that this might come as quite a surprise to my family and friends and to the entire world, really. So, surprise! And it's gonna be hard to survive here all by myself on the farm. My food storage is running really low, so I need to watch that, and just the boredom is getting to me, so I need to make sure I keep myself entertained, keep busy, and make sure that these vlogs are interesting. So, yeah. I hope I can showcase everything and people can learn from this in future expeditions. Elise out. Meanwhile, right outside my front door, I can't believe that I get to call this home. So cool. So adorable. Love you guys. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. You guys want a little snack? Huh? Here. Oh, don't drop it. You want one too? Yummy. Here, I'll give it to you. There you go. Yummy. Yummy. That's all I got. Bye. Bye.
Freckles on her nose, diddle-diddle-dee, a girl came riding into town one day. Diddle-diddle, she was quite a sight. It's Pippi Longstockings, hee-ho-ho-ha, hee-ha-ha. It's Pippi Longstockings, there's no one like her. Happy as can be, diddle-diddle, Pippi tells you stories. You just wait and see, tra-la-la-la-la, she's quite a girl. She's got a house, an old and funny house, a monkey and a horse, a suitcase full of golden coins, and you will never, ever find another girl so strong and always generous and kind. Pippi's world is fun, diddle-diddle-dee, she makes kids happy, her make-believe may stun, diddle-dee, the grown-ups here in town. Pippi's quite unique, diddle-diddle, with her smile disarming. She is such an imp, tra-la-la-la, you'll love her too.
Alright, I have to introduce you to a horse. Alright, I said that too early. I had to walk way too far still. Alright, I have to introduce you to a horse. This is Happy. And he is the sweetest horse. His name really does do him justice. He is always happy. And he is the coolest. So sweet. And he reminds me of Pippi Longstocking. So that's what that intro was about. That girl is strong.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a room. Clap along if you feel like happiness is true. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
When he is happy, he sounds hilarious. It makes everybody happy, seriously. He sounds as if he has the biggest frog in his throat. I love that you're always more excited about me riding than the horse that I'm actually riding. Yeah. You're always so happy. Maybe that's why that's your name. Huh?
Softly cross the bay,
Yeah.
and the flowers are dancing all the
You're a
while.
sweetheart.
Come and be happy, the day shines around us. Come follow me. Hey ho, I'm Pippi, Pippi I away. Home and I'm happy as can be. My name is Pippi, Pippi yip hooray! What a fabulous day! Hey, hear the music, a wonderful song. I feel the breeze in my hair. It's my kind of morning and I can't go wrong. I do whatever I care. Come and be happy, the day shines around us. Come follow me, you will see. Hey ho, I'm Pippi, I sail the ocean blue. I fought with pirates
Felix.
2 by 2. Climbed all the mountains, now I'm home to stay. What a fabulous day! Hey ho, I'm Pippi, Pippi I away. Home and I'm happy as can be. My name is Pippi, Pippi yip hooray! What a fabulous day!
I'm gonna miss you guys. Because that's another thing. This video is not just a happy video, because it's also a goodbye video. I am leaving the farm. I'm going to a different farm, so which is actually really exciting. They have 2 farms here, so I'm gonna work on the other one. And that means I have to clean the house. This is what happens when I do laundry. And this isn't even the worst part. Absolutely every single piece of furniture is covered in clothing. And I'm not even talking about the bed yet. Oh, how cool is this? I could entertain myself for hours in here if I was a kid. How cool is this tent? Just play and play. I would even play in here if I had a kid, but I'm not just gonna be in here by myself. That's just weird. Although, look at my
What shall I do today?
What shall we do today?
What shall I do today? What shall I do? I could start a new adventure by jumping on my bed. I could wake up Mr. Nilsson, carry horse above my head.
Okay, this is weirdly enough way too much fun. So weird. feel like a complete fool. And on the other hand, I'm having the best time. So I guess this week's message is never grow up or something like that. I don't know. Alright, it's time for me to start packing and cleaning up the house, which is gonna be a major job because it's very dirty. But like Pippi always says, every job that needs to be done, there is an element of fun. Find the fun and snap! The job's a game! Or no, wait, I feel like that's Mary Poppins. It doesn't matter, it works anyways. Alright, so now I have to clean the floor. How can I make that fun? Find the element of fun. I think I found it.
I put my scrubbing shoes on and I never get the blues on Monday morning. Yeah, yeah. This dust will be a goner as I hit each dirty corner without warning. Yeah, yeah. Throwing soap suds everywhere. We're being careful, very careful to enjoy ourselves each step of the way. Scrubbing day is a holiday, and the game we play is as wild as it can get. Scrubbing day is my favorite day, 'cause on scrubbing day we make everything get wet.
Ta-da! Alright, all my stuff is packed. It's time for me to go. I'm gonna miss this place.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside.
Time to say goodbye. Bye, house. Bye, Felix. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you too. You can't come with me. Probably am gonna miss you the most. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to everybody. Got my backpack on, completely filled. It's been a while, but it also kind of feels good though to be on the move, do something else. It's been a while since I had my backpack on, and it's really exciting. It's a comfortable feeling. I love having this thing on, even though that might seem a bit strange, but I don't mind it at all. It means that I'm going on a next adventure. Pony! Bye! Bye, MJ! Bye! So sad. All the animals. It's weird how you do build up a relationship with animals. It's still sad to leave them behind. Oh well, part of life.
If I should stay, I'll only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. Bittersweet memories. That is all
Felix?
I'm taking
We're staying here.
with me. So goodbye. Please
Felix.
don't
What
cry.
the heck? Did
We
you
both
too?
know I'm not one you need.
You are like completely stuck.
And I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you.
Oh, but this just won't do. I'd very much prefer to see all of me at once. That's much better. Oh no. Starting to look really stupid. Anyways, that's the whole point, I guess. Oh, can't believe I'm gonna do this. Alright, I can do this. This is so embarrassing.